Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Well, it's another bike run to Lake George. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. We're going to get together and head out. Meet up with a couple of other riders, and we're gonna try to enjoy this trip up to Lake George, and hopefully we have a lot of fun up there and do it safely. And I'm gonna bring you guys along so you can enjoy some of the fun also.
Yeah, yeah, came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came, country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, link something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm bout it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. That's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know, but like this, nobody. Can't go slow, I gotta hit that body. I'm the top, but the top, I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot, and you not, that's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long, hard road, gotta go home. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah, 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 came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came, country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, link something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, why they mad at a man like me? I went too crazy. Better take that knee and kiss my ring, cause I be royalty. Everywhere I go, my scene, and they be hating. That's such a lame thing. Yeah, y'all be lame teams. I could never ever go outside like that. Yeah, my people got my back, and I know that that's a fact. So I won't worry about a thing. I'm gonna keep on burning track. Do you get what I mean? I got faith in my dream. Oh, it's been a long, hard road. Gotta go home. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came, country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, link something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. I can't hold. I'm gone away. I'm gone away. I'm gone away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day for me. A brand new day for love. Brand new day for me. Brand new day for love. Yeah, I'm motorboating. I'm gone away. I'm gone away. I'm gone away. Yeah. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day for me. A brand new day for love. Brand new day for me. Brand new day for love. Brand new day for me. Brand new day for love. Brand new day for me. Brand new day for love. Yeah.
Americade began with a touch of adventure as we rode through misty rain on the way up. The clouds hang low over the mountain and the roads glisten with fresh droplets as if nature itself was welcoming us. But as we reached Lake George, the skies began to clear, and by the afternoon, we took a relaxed ride around, admiring the other bikes and the vibrant energy of the crowd. Once we had our fill of the sights, we headed back, had a delicious dinner, and then checked into our cozy hotel, excited for the next day. Well, good morning, folks. Well, we made it to our room yesterday. It's a new day. Had some breakfast, and we're gonna see what this day brings for us. This is our room here, number 11. So I'm gonna go around here to some of the guys, see where they're at. I know they got another room on the other side, but so far the weather has been good. And yeah, I'm gonna try to enjoy this. Yeah. So we got a couple of guys over here hanging out. Yeah. Got the bikes on this side also. Oh yeah. We got some mofos over here. Got a KC.
I can move it out without
What's
this.
up, what's up, what's up?
Okay, say hello.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Yeah. Yeah, the sun is
Laventille,
killing.
Trini from Laventille, hiding from the sun.
Yeah.
Although I need it,
You
but
need
I'm
it?
I need
hiding.
a bike wash.
Bike wash?
Yeah, I need
Don't
a
worry, there's a pool right there.
too small for you. All right, so stop
shit.
this shit.
Yeah, you see all of this shit going on here?
Yes. Looking good, bro.
Thank you, man.
How come you ain't take the top down at least?
That's what
Oh,
I just said.
brother
I
Joe,
was
brother
thinking
Joe.
about
See, you missed. You didn't come down yesterday.
Who?
Yeah, where you was at?
No, it's
Yes.
not.
You came here yesterday?
Yeah, I was here. Well, all right, we're back at the hotel. Yeah, having our little barbecue, and I got Master Chef Pierre at the setting up the barbecue for us here, brother Pierre.
Yes,
so
sir.
what do we got? What do we got?
Well, we're gonna try to make it a little simpler. Something that we usually do every year, kind of like something small with hamburgers and hot dogs,
Yeah.
and we have corn,
And we even have something for the vegetarians.
and we even have something for the vegetarians. So for the vegetarians, we do have plant-based meat. We're gonna have plant-based hamburgers, plant-based hot dogs. Now, we definitely looking to step it up maybe next year to see what we can do, because we've seen that the place has expanded in order to be able to hold some food that we could have prepared, seasoned, to bring here to make something happen. So in the meantime, we're gonna have our opening and what we do. We have all the condiments that'll go with the hot dogs and hamburgers.
Yeah, everything is here.
Corn. So everything is here pretty much.
We all set. We're gonna let you know how it tastes. I'm gonna taste it all for you guys.
Definitely.
Oh yeah.
We're looking forward to expanding and making to have it for more to come.
Yeah. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Yo, Diesel.
We looking good here. We looking good here. We almost ready. Oh wow, look at that. Oh yeah. That looks good. Oh yeah. Yeah. Brother Casey.
This guy right here, that's Casey. That's Casey.
Yeah. How you doing there, brother?
Well, yourself?
Yes, good, yeah.
You got lost last time.
Yeah. You made it. Yeah.
Yo, I didn't know.
What's up, brother? Good to see you. Yeah.
Like,
Oh yeah. Yeah, so that's our barbecue going there.
But I'll tell you what you need me to pick up, man.
I don't know.
To make sure we know where we at.
Yeah.
We just back.
All right, I got my first burger for the day, man. I'm ready. I'm all ready.
You came right time.
Yeah. Yeah. We got Diesel chowing down on his burger over there.
I know you've been.
Well, it's been a wonderful afternoon. You all kept a seat for me, huh?
yeah, right over there.
Thank you. Yeah. Wow, look at this. This is awesome.
No, that's a fire.
Yeah.
That's a
Oh my goodness. Oh, this is wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for the invite.
You're welcome, honey. All right. We got Scotty getting ready to pull out over here. On the gold wing. Looking good. Got Diesel. All right. We got brother.
Huh?
What's your name?
My name is Fresh, man. Doug.
Doug.
That's it.
Yeah, okay, we got brother
pleasure,
Doug
man.
here on the gold wing here. Now it might be a little dark, but that's all right. You know, I don't have my light with me.
That's it.
You know, yeah. Brother Doug here, you know, heading out.
That's it.
Probably gonna see him in the morning.
It's
Yeah.
meant to be, you know.
And
Thank you again.
yes,
Thank
you're
you
welcome.
so
You're
much.
welcome.
Baby,
Get
all right, Daisy.
get back safely.
Okay.
You know, that you all guys here on the video. Okay.
To the brotherhood.
To the brotherhood.
Yeah, brother Diesel.
Yes,
so
sir.
where's your bike?
Bike is getting wet, getting a blessing, shower blessing right now.
We come here, say we are bikers,
Yes.
but we in the car.
It's all good.
Yeah.
It's all good. That's what I say.
Yeah.
What's up, what's up, what's up?
Back there,
Lavendel Trini in the house.
Yes.
Once it's raining, I'm not going out in the rain. If
No,
I'm
sir.
out in the rain, I'm getting caught in the rain. That's when I ride.
Yes, sir.
And
Well,
that's so funny, Con.
It's raining out there today,
Set up.
so
My shield set up.
we gotta
riding
stay
is like
safe.
The rain is blowing over.
we ain't got no
Yes.
choice.
Cut it, you're not getting
Yeah.
wet like that. Yeah.
Facts.
Yeah, boy. Wow, look at this place that we got to here. These folks, it's real homey.
Wake up the neighborhood. Wake up the neighborhood.
Hurry it up. Come on up
Yeah,
here.
baby, we here.
We here, we made it.
Made it.
No signal.
Yeah.
This one rushing. Hurry up.
Ooh, let's grab a seat.
Yes, that's pure make.
And
Yeah.
I want to return strike.
You know,
Yeah.
how much is the medium?
Alex.
Big.
What they got? Bigger honey?
Oh, what a meal. It was good. Look at all these
You gonna look?
tractors here. Man, I'm telling you, all different style. Like we moving back into this is
All
nice.
these antiques. And they're working too.
These are nice.
You're all working.
Yeah.
He asked if you're gonna get a tractor for you. Whoa! Whoa! So the big box is like, that's where they make it. You see those barrels?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we getting a little history lesson here
Yeah. From here.
from the Maple House. This is how this is where they make it here.
This is.
So
Oh!
we in the Maple House where they actually make the maple.
This is where they make the sugar house. We got some stuff too. So this is where all the magic comes from. It doesn't. All them recording never send them to me. Yeah. This is nice. You smell the wood?
Yes.
Yeah. You think this wood come from? It's from the land. Maple. That's the wood. It's maple. Yo, Denzel. You see?
Okay.
It's all wood enough. Maple wood. This enough.
Lock him in.
Casey still in there?
Beautiful land.
Cooper's early American music open to the public.
Up here, wood maple.
Oh, yeah. What a classic.
It's probably 100 years.
What a classic.
Right? What do you think this is? What do you think this is?
Classic.
Wait, alright. Wait, you're black. Okay, you guys
Turn, bring the.
This way?
No, the other way.
Yeah, is your camera clean? Yesterday you took a shitty picture, bro. Hold on, miss. Can I borrow your phone for a second?
Good, I took like
No.
before for them. Like,
Oh, wait.
Good.
Nah, this thing is dirty, man. Wipe that. Hold on. Sorry, I don't mean to be rude. I don't mean to be rude and grab the camera.
It's fine.
My wife is the same thing. I was like, clean the goddamn camera.
It's coming from the boat
Thank
that
you.
looks clean like that, right? Okay.
Right?
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Cheers.
So I took like 5.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I'm here. Eric. Well, we're gonna do a little walk on the strip today. Exercise, burn off some of that breakfast we had, and do a little shopping. Look at it. So far, the day has changed up nice, even though it was raining this morning. We're looking good right now. So stay tuned. All right.
Are they starting the show?
Yeah. We out here.
They don't look like they start with KC, there is Ron.
We have a puck leading down here. We're going to do 180-degree pull. We threw the puck with one tire on each side of the puck. You touch the puck, release the puck. After those things.
Oh, this is the motorcycle rally here with
and the bikes will be
all the cones is to go through.
Stand there the longest.
How well you
touching
can
stone, putting
handle
their foot
yourself.
down, or ramming into another bike. When you're out, your bike has
They're
to
going to be doing
stay
some
there and you
judging.
become another
Piece of cake. We got some new pieces here. We got this piece here. And we got another piece of that. For the wing. Alright. Official merchants of Americade. And there's a whole lot of them.
Yo! Diesel, what are you guys doing?
Well, we're here by the Indian booth. And look at all these Indians.
You gotta have a helmet. They don't supply the helmet.
No, on the boots.
When I went demo riding, they supplied everything.
Not no more.
Very Honda.
So we're gonna walk to Honda, which is all the way up on the other left side up there. Oh, look at this.
This is for the I see some guys went out on these CF motor.
Yeah, always good. All right. You've seen it right here. The Africa Twin. You know, definitely could be the next one. Oh man, what a bike! What a bike. You know, I think this is a DCT model.
Here we have Traveler 1.
Hello, man. Yeah. Traveler 1 is tested out in
Sitting
Africa.
on the African Twin. He's looking to get one, so hopefully in the near future we see. Traveler one and one of these African plane.
Oh, yeah.
DCT or clutch? Manual?
This is DCT.
Which one you want?
I want the manual.
The manual, okay.
They come both ways.
Great man looking all right over there too. What's up? How you doing? Good.
All right.
Okay, we walk.
All right, guys.
All right, fellas.
What's here? Well, it was a long day at demo rides. But we looked at a few down the road. We see what happens. So we're gonna head out now. Maybe go eat something, have some lunch. Oh man, look at this. What a day, what a day. No problem, I can do that. Well, here we are again. We got some antiques around here. Some seriously older
guys. Could I take a
bikes.
photo?
Oh wow, man, this is something else. I've never seen this before. Wow. Oh shucks, man, look at this stuff. To shift your gears here. Man. What year bikes are these?
57, 65, and 75.
Wow.
So this one is 68 years old.
Jeez.
77.
77.
Oh.
77. Ah man, you couldn't get any older? Wow, and they,
Still running. Still
Yeah.
running. Good as of now.
wow, this, man, you don't see.
Yeah.
Yeah. this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Mm.
See you later.
Yeah. Oh. Mm. Look at these bikes, man. I'm telling you. These are
Look at the shifter
classics.
here.
Yeah.
The shifter on this side.
That's the shifter. These are classics.
See the shifter?
You have to come out to these things to be able to see.
So that one, like, oh.
It looks that way. Well, you know, it ain't gonna be perfect. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's bittersweet. You know what I mean?
Hey, this ain't no goodbye, you know. This is just a
we
ride
had,
out.
We had a glorious weekend up here, you know, and we heading home, but we all gonna be safe home, right, guys?
Yeah, of course. Traveling mercy.
Yeah, exactly. But this is it, man. You know, we're gonna miss this shit for the next couple of days.
Well, listen,
Yeah.
we're gonna keep it going,
Yeah,
but
of
you're gonna do
course.
your own personal ride.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
right now we got the group together.
Yeah,
But we're gonna keep it going.
Yeah, exactly. So
You need a water
finally giving up our
No, I'm
room.
good.